Design. This is Steve.
Alright, how's everybody doing today? I want to take a look at this, which is the Apple credit card. This has been given to me recently for the business. So why don't we take a look at what this Apple credit card offers and why it is one of the most popular credit cards available right now. So as you open this, you can see here it's just a metal card. And what's funny here is there's actually no numbers. So I guess I can show you guys the entire card. There's no numbers or expiration dates or security codes. So basically what you have to do with this, and you'll see here as I open this, is that it starts to actually, it'll acknowledge that this. So why don't we actually open up the wallet app itself? So if I go here to wallet, under billing wallet, you should see that the Apple card is that first card there. So why don't we just select that? It's up here, activate card. So hold your card. That came with the card. Hold this. Oh, I need the packaging as well. So that might have been the issue here. And just move this back while I try to. So there we go. Activate your card. Your card is ready to be activated. Why don't we just click activate? And done, your card is ready. There you go. It is all set up and ready to use. And the cool thing that I've really noticed with the whole Apple card is how, again, you don't have all these numbers and stuff. Everything is here and it's digital. That's what I wanted to show you today. This is the brand new Apple credit card. Super happy to have this available. I'm going to do a little more looking at the actual card on the website. And if you can get this card, it's great. It's a great business card. I buy a lot of Apple stuff. I mean, my phone, my computers, everything for the business. So, guys, with that being said, here's the Apple credit card. Wanted to review that, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.
Take a look here now at the Apple Card website, and as you can see here, this is where you're able to supply, and it's just going to highlight a few of the benefits that the card provides. So the simplicity of Apple in a credit card is really what they're trying to get across, is that you're getting the benefits of all the simplicity an Apple phone and their applications give you in your life with your payments. So it's created by Apple, as you can see, and here's the actual application. This is a really cool application. Kind of helps you structure payments and how much things are and where payments will be in the future and stuff. So this application here is pretty cool. Check it out. I don't know if you can just check it out through the Apple Wallet or not, but it is there. So no fees. That's not necessarily true. I know with the card that I got, it's 12 months of no APR. So the MacBook Pro that I purchased with the first card was able to then be interest free for 12 months. Even though I don't like credit, I usually will just pay things off and get it for the advantages of the bonus and perks. Which is in this case 3% or 2% back on your daily activities, but 3% on anything that's Apple. And really, I'm just going to use this card for my Apple purchases. So there we go. It is a titanium card, so that's I highlighted. It's that cool metal. I know the Chase Sapphire Preferred does this as well, but it has that hard metal titanium card. And it's just talking about how you're able to integrate it with all your Apple applications and help manage your money a little bit better. So guys, that is the Apple credit card. It's pretty cool. Again, I got one for the business, but it's only for business purchases. I would recommend, if you are a heavy Apple purchaser, whether it's the apps or the software or the hardware, this isn't a bad card to have if you're just going to use it for your Apple stuff. So with that being said, take care guys, and we'll catch you in the next video.